Ash vacuums can look very similar until you actually compare reach, filtration, capacity, and what kind of ash they can handle. Here are my top 5 ash vacuums for 2026, ranked from the strongest overall choice to the most compact option. At number 1 is the PowerSmith. For me, its biggest advantage is not one impressive number, but how well everything fits together. Strong power, excellent reach, warm ash capability, and useful accessories. The 10-foot hose is the longest in this comparison, and together with the 16-foot cord, it gives you much more freedom around a fireplace or pellet stove. You also get a heat-resistant filter, a wheeled base, 2 filters, and blower functionality. Compared with the other models, this one feels less restricted in everyday use. But there are a few things to know. Although the canister is larger, only 4 gallons are rated for ash. The hose is also narrower than the one on the Vanpore, so larger debris may be more likely to cause trouble. And at 79 decibels, this is not a quiet machine. If you want one ash vacuum that can cover fireplaces, pellet stoves, and general dry cleanup without constantly moving the machine closer, this is the strongest all-round choice here. But if filtration and a wider hose matter more to you, the next model gets very interesting. Links to all products from this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. In second place is the Vanpore, and this one comes very close to the top spot. What stands out immediately is the combination of strong suction, a larger tank, and a wide hose. That 1.5-inch hose is wider than the PowerSmith's, which can make a real difference when you're picking up more than just very fine ash. The sealed HEPA system is another major strength if keeping fine dust under control matters to you. Add the 3-wheel base and blower function, and it becomes a very practical package. The main compromise is reach. The 5-foot hose is only half as long as the PowerSmith's, and the cord is shorter too. The available data also does not give a specific maximum temperature for warm ash, so I would follow the manufacturer's operating instructions carefully. If you value filtration, tank size, and a wider hose more than maximum reach, this may actually suit you better than the winner. Next, though, we have a model with excellent filtration, but a more important limitation. And if this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to Bacoeng. On paper, it looks very competitive, especially with a powerful motor, a large tank, and a double-stage filtration system. The reusable HEPA filter works together with a washable Dacron filter bag, which is useful when you're dealing with very fine fireplace dust. The 15-foot cord is also one of the better ones here, and the wheeled base makes the heavier canister easier to move around. But here's the important part. Current manufacturer guidance is for cold ash only. That makes it less flexible than the 2 models above it. The filters also reduce the usable ash capacity to roughly 3.5 gallons, and at about 12.5 pounds, it is the heaviest vacuum in this ranking. So if you normally let the fireplace cool completely and care more about filtration than warm ash capability, the Bacoeng makes sense. If you'd rather have something smaller and simpler, the next option may be easier to live with. At number 4 is the Stanley. This is a more focused machine, compact, fairly light, and designed for straightforward ash cleanup without a long list of extra functions. Its metal canister, heat-resistant components, and reusable cartridge filter with pre-filter cover the basics well. At 8.2 pounds, it is easier to carry than the Bacoeng, and the 4-gallon tank is a sensible size for normal fireplace maintenance. Where you notice the difference is reach. A 4-foot hose and 8-foot power cord are both short compared with the leaders. It is also intended for cold ash, and there is no verified blower function. That is not a deal breaker, but you should know exactly what you're getting. If you want something simple for occasional fireplace cleanup and do not need long reach or extra versatility, the Stanley is a solid option. But for the smallest and lightest machine in this lineup, we move to our final pick. In 5th place is the Sippon, and its appeal is very different from the top models. This one is about keeping things small, light, and easy to store. At only 6 pounds, it is the lightest vacuum here. You still get reusable HEPA and cloth filtration, a metal canister, a heat-resistant hose, and a blower function. For a small pellet stove or quick cleanup job, that compact size can actually be more convenient than dragging out a larger machine. But the trade-offs are clear. The 800-watt motor is the least powerful in this group, and the 2.6-gallon tank is also the smallest. Its listed cord arrangement provides much less reach than the leading models, so larger fireplace areas may become frustrating. If you mainly want a lightweight vacuum for smaller amounts of ash, the Sippon could be enough. But for frequent cleaning, bigger fireplaces, or longer working range, one of the higher-ranked models will be the better fit. Check the top-ranked models using the links in the description below the video to compare the latest offers. And if this review helped you choose, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical product comparisons.